Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Fred Excel lessons for today. Today, we are going to look at a question which was posed by one of Fred Excel followers on YouTube channel, and he had a lot of data. I've just extracted a sample of it where we have countries and cities, and he wanted to really put or get an output as this, where the cities will be in one cell and the countries will also be in one cell. So here we have Ghana, Accra, Kumasi, up to Kufuor, but he wants Ghana in one cell, and the corresponding column should have all the cities in one cell. How can we do this? Let's see the solution I provided. And this was inspired by my friend Faraz. Let's go through the process. So first I'll clear this. Now, before we can do this, we really need to really ensure that where we have the empty cells under Ghana, which means all this needs to be Ghana, all this also needs to be completed as Nigeria. How quickly can we do that? Simply, we can just select the column, Control G, with the go to special dialog box. You click on special, you check on blanks, you click on OK to select all the blanks within the range you selected. Equal to, you select the country, then you use Control Enter, and voila, you have your solution in there. So we have completed for the Ghana. Now, how do we get our unique identity or our unique countries here? Simply, we can still select the range, go to Data on our ribbon, go to Filter, Sort and Filter Advanced, then we'll say Copy to another location, but we want unique records only. Where do we want to copy to? We really want to copy to this section. Then we can now click on OK. So voila, we have the unique countries which pops up here. Now, how do we get our cities corresponding to each country in one cell? We'll use the functions text join and also use an array formula and the if function. So first we'll use with the array. So all that we are saying is if this range, if this is equal to the country, it should give us a solution to tell us whether it's a true or false. So it means it tells us it's true. Now, if it's true, how can we get the cities in here? So we'll combine it with the if function. So we'll proceed and say that if this condition is true, then it should give us the results or its corresponding column value within this range. And if it's false, then it should give us an empty cell. So we close our parentheses and we enter. So we'll see that it will pick up one of the countries which is really assigned to Ghana, which is Tamale. Now you want to add a text join to it. So we will introduce a text join, or simply put, I can just really escape, maybe copy this formula for simplicity's sake, copy this formula and now escape and delete, and now start the text join formula. So we'll have the delimiter that it should be separated by. So we'll introduce the comma and space, and if it's true, we ignore empty cells, and the formula that we copied should come in here. Then we close our parentheses. Since this is an array formula and we are using Excel 2019, we'll use a Control Shift Enter to enter. So voila, you see that it has really populated the cities assigned to Ghana in one cell. So we have Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, and Kufuor. So we can simply then drag this down to apply to all the countries. There you see. So we have Brazil, Salvador, Sao Paulo in that order. This is how simple you can really get in touch. You come in to really get some of your solutions solved right here. Thank you very much, Kofi Asamoah, for pushing up this challenge. And also we are happy to give you a solution to this. If you have any challenge, you don't hesitate to get in touch with Fred Excel, and we help you to solve your daily challenges in Excel. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I hope the solution was quite simple. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.